Gypsy! She's like, get away from me! The only way I can get away from her is if I run. You gonna follow Gypsy? Mabel, Mabel! Brap, 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 brap. Yep, Gypsy's off in the woods. She tries so hard to keep up with Gypsy. And then she stands there like, oh, she didn't wait for me. You're rustling through the leaves. Guys! Mabel! Those ears flopping. What were you sniffing at? I have no idea, but I want to sniff too. Mibble, mibble, mibble.